Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is 1. In today's video, we will see the understanding of function, how to find the value of a function. There are 4 aspects which comes under the heading of functions. We will cover in different videos. So today's video is only about how to find the value of the function. So we need to recall a concept which we have done earlier. If equation y is equals to 3x plus 2 is given to you, and you are asked to find the value of y if x is equals to 1, then what you used to do, you replace x by 1 like I have done here, and then you find out the value of y. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5, right? But what will be new now? See here. Now instead of y, you will write f of x. Now this is the notation used in function. It doesn't mean f is multiplying by x. It is read as f of x. Now instead of f of x, it could be written there g of x, h of x. This is just the name of the function, the expression. For example, it is 3x plus 2. So I can say h of x is equals to 3x plus 2, right? So when you will see f of x, don't get confused. It is simply replacing y, okay? And now you need to understand one more term here, and that is sometimes in the question, instead of x, the word domain will be used. So domain simply mean the value of x. And f of x, which gives you the value of y actually, it will be called range or image. So you have to remember these terminologies. Now let's see example here, how to find the value of the function, exactly what you have already done. So let's see example 1 first of all, this one. You have to find the value of f of minus 1. Now what will you do? Simply in place of x, here, and here, you will replace minus 1. So you will write f of minus 1, let me change the color, f of minus 1 is equals to 2 bracket minus 1 square. Now please remember to put bracket here. Sometimes the students just write 2 minus 1 square and things like this. They are different, right? So you have to replace it by minus 1 whole square, minus 6, and this x will be replaced by minus 1. So it will become 2. You know minus 1 whole square become plus 1, right? And minus times minus is plus, so it will be 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So your value of f of minus 1 is 8. Or in other terms, when domain was minus 1, then you can say your image is 8. So these terms you need to understand. Now let's see example 2. H of x is given to you x minus 6 whole square divided by 2. And you have to find h of 3. It simply means replace x by 3. So it will become h of 3 is equals to 3 minus 6 whole square divided by 2. 3 minus 6 is minus 3 square. And again, because the power is even, it will become plus. 3 times 3 is 9 upon 2. So you can write in decimal or you can leave it in fraction. Now let's see another thing here. Suppose 3 functions are given to you. F of x is 4x minus 6. G of x is 2x square minus x. H of x is x minus 6 divided by 2, whole square divided by 2. If question says find f times, now this means f multiply, okay? F times 4 of f of minus 4. This means you will use which function? This function name is f, this function name is g, this function name is h. So you will use this function. So you will do 5, it is a multiplication. So in place of x, in function f, replace minus 4. So it will be 4. You see, this is here already. So I am just writing this in the bracket. 4 minus 4 minus 6. Right? I hope you understand. Instead of f of x, it is f of 4. which is 4x minus 6. So 5 times minus 16 minus 6. So what it will be? 22, and it will be definitely minus. Then it will be what? Right? So I hope you understand how to do this. So don't get confused. Do understand in which function you will plug in. Now let's see if y is asked. So if you see this question, your teacher has given you this function, this equation, and she said y is equals to 7, find x. What do you do then? You replace this y by 7 and you will find out x. So this one will go here like it happens in algebra. Manipulation of the subject. And then divided by 4. And 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So x is equals to 2. Now look at the same question which we have done here in function notation. Okay? In notation of function. So instead of y, now it is written f of x. And instead of saying y is equals to 7, it is saying f of x is equals to 7. And find the value of x. So 100% same thing. Here you will write 7 is equals to 4x minus 1 and solve just the way you have done here. And you will get your answer. Some children make mistake when this question is given, for example, f of x equals to 7. And when they solve this question, they write 7 inside. Don't make this mistake. Okay? So let's do two questions here quickly. First of all, this example, the green one. Function is given to you. It is saying if g of x is equals to 10, it means I will write here 10. And I have to find the value of x. But x is inside the square root. So what will I do? I will take a square on both sides to remove the square root. 10 square is 100. Then 3 will go here. You know algebraic manipulation. And it will be 97. Right? I hope you understood this. Now next, see this one. Just trying to make it little challenging, I would say. Same function I have taken, you can see it. But what I'm writing here in place of x, I'm writing a. And I'm saying this thing is equals to 10. Find the value of a. Now what does it mean? So first thing, let's do one thing. In this function, wherever I have x, let me write a. Okay? One thing, one time, so that we don't get confused. So I will write g of a is equals to square root a plus 3. Right? When I had x here, I'm replacing it by a. This part is done. Now this thing is equals to 10. So here I will write 10 is equals to root a plus 3. And again, exactly same thing I will do. I will square both sides to get a out of the square root. So it will be 100. And a is equals to 100 minus 3, which is equals to 97. Right? I hope you understood this. Now last example, and then this topic will end. Now in this case, suppose two functions are given to you, f of x and g of x. And what is question saying? Question saying find the value of x for which functions are equal to each other. This simply means you will put the function, this function and this function equal to each other and solve like an equation. Because g of x is what? 10 minus x. So instead of f of x, I'm writing 2x minus 8. Instead of g of x, I'm writing 10 minus x. Now I'll bring x here and 8 here. Just like algebra, it is minus x, it will become plus x. This 8 will go to the other side. It is minus. It will become plus. So this will give you the value of x. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and do press like and subscribe button to encourage me. Thank you. Take care. Bye.